Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to enter function in Excel. So here I show you one Excel trick. So let's start. So here you can see I have a data and here I'm going to use some function. So simply select the cell first and here you can see in formula bar have an option insert function option. Okay, just click on this option and here you can see the insert function dialog box is open. The first option search for a function. Okay, you just enter here the function. Suppose I want to search some function. So I enter here some and click on the go. Okay, this is the first way you can select here the function and then click on the OK. Okay, and the second or select the category. There are different category of function is also available. If you want to enter date and time related function, suppose I select this category and you can see the function date value, days 360. So these are functions related to the date and time. Okay, if you want to select the another category lookup and reference, you can see the all lookup and reference function list is available here. Okay, if you want to select the most recent use, you can select the this option and these are the most recent use. If you want to search the particular function, just enter here the function. Just I enter here the sum and click on the go, and here you can see the all sum related function is searched. Then select that function, those you want to use, and click on the OK. And here you can see another dialog box is open function arguments for some function. The first is a number, select the range of data, select this arrow and select here the range of data. Again, click on this arrow and here the range is selected. You can see the preview of data also here. And here this total sum amount also showing. Formula result, here you can see total showing. After that, click on the OK and that's it. Here you can see the sum function is applied. Okay, this is the way you can use a different type of function also here. Okay, that VLOOKUP, subtotal, average, maximum, minimum, anything. Again, I show you. I simply select the cell. I just delete this. Select the cell and click on this function icon. And here insert function dialog box is open. Then I search here the function those I want. I enter here max and click on the go. And here you can see the max function. I select this max function and click on OK. Okay. And here the function arguments for max function. To select the first range of for the max function, just click on this arrow and select this range of data. Okay, then click on again this arrow and here you can check the preview of data also, the total price amount. Okay, after that formula result 7617 is the max value. Okay, then click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see in this data, the 7617.57 is maximum value. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.